Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. Today, we are going to talk about 5 amazing tips that will help you to improve your confidence, and one bonus and positive technique is waiting for you at the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my channel. First of all, very important and crucial step that you really need to follow. Before everything, confidence is something that we all really need. It is something that if we don't have confidence, we will not be able to survive in this world. Why it is so important to become a confident speaker? Let me guide you. When I was at my university in the first 4 semester, I was not be able to speak in front of people, and I have a lot of amazing ideas. I know English. When I was at university, I know very well about English. I had really amazing vocabulary, but people were underestimating me. They were actually disrespecting me. They were insulting me, and it's just like, you have amazing idea to convey. I know a lot of people who have amazing knowledge, incredible knowledge, but because they won't be able to convey it, it's just like they are not fitting into the room, they are not fitting into the people's head, and they are not ready to listen. That kind of people who are not amazing communicators. And you know what I have realized, that confidence is something that is an accessory that you can wear. Just like when you are wearing accessory, you feel good. So when you wear confidence as an accessory, you glow differently. Whatever I am speaking right now, I am confident about it because I know that my knowledge is authentic, and whatever I am saying to you, it has some meaning. And I've researched about that things. That's why I'm confident. So confidence is not something that you will be able to achieve by implementing the techniques, but confidence is something that you will be able to achieve or feel when you are actually putting effort on yourself. It comes with actions, not with words. It's just like you want to maintain your body shape, you want an hourglass figure, or you want 6-pack figure, and you're just manifesting, you're sitting and you're manifesting. So it will not be helpful, because you have to actually go to the gym and be conscious of your diet, whatever you are eating, and you need to go to the gym every single day. Consistency, your action will make you closer to your goal and not your words. So that's what confidence is about. It's all the games of action, not the words only. We all are mistaken that nowadays affirmations are so common, and we believe that, okay, just by affirmations we'll be able to feel confidence. It's not like this. Only by following the affirmation rule will not make you feel confidence. Manifestation and affirmations work only for those who are working every single day. Okay, so let's talk about the 5 techniques. First of all, own your voice. Your voice is the greatest weapon. Whether you are initiating a war with it or you are saying I love you with it, your voice is doing a magic. Your voice is basically your power, so don't whisper your greatness. It's the pivotal thing that if you are speaking aloud, people would love to listen to you. If you are speaking slowly with clarity by using the simple words, it will become more clear to people. And when people are actually understanding what you are saying, they will respond to you, and their response will give you the positivity and the confidence that, okay, whatever I am saying, it's just like, for instance, if I am talking to you and you are not responding to me, then what will happen? I will feel lack of motivation, because whatever I am saying, I'll start doubting on my personality that people are not responding. It means there is something wrong on what I am saying. So that's why it's important that you use your voice in much more influential and powerful way to communicate and to influence people. So make sure that you should speak aloud without shouting. Your voice should be clear, slow wordings, and proper sentences with basic English will make you so powerful in your voice tone. Second step, pause. Don't rush. If you're thinking that silence is weakness, it's not. It's when your greatest strength you are delivering to people, because when you are taking pause, It means you are actually delivering your message to people and giving them time to absorb it. It's not like you have crammed something and everything is scripted and you're just reading it in a fast and furious way, and people at the end won't be able to understand what you are saying to them. So don't rush. Again, clarity. Speak slow. Fluency doesn't mean, I always say, fluency doesn't mean that you have to speak in a fast way. It means speak with clear words, easy words, and speak slow. If you observe that I'm talking to you, every time I take 1 second or 2 second pause, which is almost you can say you can neglect, but that is actually helping you to absorb my message in much more easier way. But what if I'll talk in a very fast way and I'm not even giving you the time to absorb my content, and I'm just delivering the message and stopping my video and say, okay, bye, okay, that's done. It will not be fruitful. That will be futile video. You need to be meticulous about your pauses. Third one is maintain eye contact, which is my most favorite one because I love this thing. There is one quotation that is coming to my mind is look people into their eyes, because through the eye contact, you are delivering the most powerful strength of yours to the people, or you are delivering the most powerful strength that is hidden in your words through your eye contact to the people. If you're not maintaining your eye contact, what will happen? Now, let me tell you, there is a difference between a stare and an eye contact, a positive eye contact. If I am talking to you, I'm looking here too, then I'm maintaining again. It seems like I'm conscious of my surroundings too, and I am listening to you also. I am observing what you are saying to me. And if I'm talking to you and I'm looking away, I was actually watching one video by Sushmita Sen, and she is such an incredible lady. I really admire her a lot. She said that even if she's placing her order, and even if she wants any small item while she's eating in a restaurant, she just turn like that. The person is standing here, the waiter is standing here, maintaining the eye contact, and then with a gentle smile, she just say what she want to say or what she needs. That's what you need to do. When you are maintaining eye contact while talking, it will give other person gesture that you are actually conscious and you are actually sincere to that person and engaged fully with that person. Because through your eyes, you are giving the person confidence that you are actually with that person. You are affirming your presence. But what if a person is just saying something and looking around like that and this? It still seems like the person is not interested and he or she just wants to quit the conversation because it's boring or not interested or not even sincere to talk to you. Fourth one is use open body language. There is one quotation that I recall. It is that when you actually speak, before you actually speak, your body language is actually delivering the message to people. Make sure it's confidence. What if your body language is like this? It seems like you are not interested to talk and you are an introvert or you are not open to conversation. Let me give you a tip. There is one thing I always talk about meditation because meditation actually changed my life and my mindset, my perspective. That's why I'm saying in every meditation, basically, we sit with a spinal straight position during breathing practice, because your spinal straight, when you sit with a spinal straight, and actually you are now in a straight position, which is in authority. So make sure that whenever you are in public or talking to people, your shoulders should be broad, your spinal should be straight. Don't sit like hunching like that, okay? And your chin up, not that much up, a little bit up. It's give the other person, and use your hands. Like, to be honest, I use hand gestures a lot. And I don't try to control it, because even if my camera is off during my lectures, but still I'm using my hands because it seems like the person is just watching me. Or I'm so much engaged into what I teach to people that I actually use my hand gestures to clarify. This is part of my body language, and it gives the other person gesture that, okay, the lady is open to conversation and she is confident too. last one is prepare and practice. Most often students say to me that, okay, we are doing a confidence building course, but when we will become a confident speaker? So my darlings, you really need to think. It is not something that you will practice once. Most often students say, we have practiced this thing, but we are not getting fluent. We have not felt any change. Darling, at least it's required 2 weeks, 14 days. Only if you are doing the practice every single day, like the things that I told you, the upper four. If you'll implement those techniques for 14 days with consistency, I always say consistency is the key. Consistency is basically an act where you feel like nothing is happening, but when it happened, because of consistency, that's a humongous change that actually changed your whole life. I recalled a quotation that is probably confidence isn't luck, it is a practice in disguise. So whatever techniques I suggested to you, you have to implement it with consistency for 7 to 14 days, and then you will see the change for up to 50% in your speech, in your confidence. And you have to put yourself, the confidence is not something that you have to do in your comfort zone, not at all. Confidence is something that you can get when you'll put yourself into uncomfortable situations. Discomfort will move you closer towards confidence. That's what it is. Okay, the last thing that I want to say is a smile is the shortest distance between two people, and through that shortest gesture, you can deliver or exude confidence. Now, if you like all of these tips and tricks that I've shared with you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and share it with at least one of your friends who is facing this problem of confidence. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. Everything is mentioned in the description below. Go and check it out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.